Imagine walking into a factory where hundreds of machines work in perfect coordination. It may look effortless, but behind that precision is knowledge, innovation, and skilled engineering. With this vision, KIET Deemed to be University has inaugurated the Center of Excellence in Industrial Motion, powered by Festo, to prepare the next generation of engineers for the future of automation. For many students, engineering begins in a classroom, but true understanding happens when concepts come to life through hands-on experience, because the best way to learn automation is not just to study it, but to build, test, and innovate with it. Designed for mechanical engineering students, the center brings industry-grade automation, pneumatics, and smart manufacturing technologies directly into the classroom. Here, students don't just learn how machines work, they learn how industries work. From learning automation to building smart manufacturing solutions, students at the Festo Lab are preparing for careers in robotics, automation, mechatronics, and Industry 4.0. At the Festo Centre of Excellence, students are gaining both, preparing not just for jobs, but for the industries of tomorrow. KIET Deemed to be University, empowering minds, enabling skills.